bitch-Ikemefuna has left you a message.
Keep on TikTok, wait that shit get lit. Bro, I bust all on your kids. Come just watch my llama spit. All this hot dog shit gon' pick. All my book race like a kick. Off your t-shirt, it get ripped.
To the knees. I'm gonna glue these all onto boots once I make them, or like boot cover-ish kind of things. So I'm not too concerned about them. Picking out straps right now. That I could possibly use. Doing this out of a 10. Because her leg armor is thick. So I just tested the knee armor, tested proportion-wise where my knee is, and it's about the size of this. So I'm just going to trace 4 circles onto here.
My whole shit sit beside your best. I climb into that tightrope cut. New age maintain primal trust. She white blue eye like copper cuts. I get in the skin like needles. Poppy flower season. See me sit back as I speak my reason. Sharp like glass.
I don't give a fuck. Nobody but me. I don't got nobody on my fucking team. I just got my brother. If you get like me, so we walk through hellfire each and every day.
What's up, epic gamers? So I'm going to the house to spray paint some stuff. So I get spray paint here, and yeah. Here we are. Doing that, doing this. Oh, those look a lot better on camera. They look really ugly and stinky in person. Yep. Here's these. All these pieces. I'm getting done with this old bottle of plasti-dip. I bought a brand new one, but this old one still has some left in it, so yeah, that's a lot, so it would be a waste, big waste if I just didn't even use it. So, yep. So here's most of the silver stuff, and I don't have to tape anything off. So yeah, this is what I'm using. I hope it looks good. So this doesn't really look like metal. I'd go as far to say as it still looks like foam. But, here's the thing, don't have enough time to care, so there it is. Real final assembly hours.
The devil was alive. It was a little loud. It feels so dark in the night. Stuck inside a thought. Dreaming about our souls. And all my eyes are on fire. ain't got the hang of this. Getting faded like a dangle fish. Please, karma couldn't hang with this. Right hand to the clouds, keep my left hand on the realm. Take off these blinders, I'm drunk off the side. Pushing my chin out like crimson, I might throw everything by the wayside tonight. It's fucking cool, right? Stuck inside a thought. Dreaming about our talks. And all my eyes are on fire. Let's watch this world expire.
Some parts I'm just hand painting, so I'm gonna do that now so that it can dry while I'm constructing the little base pieces, and then I can attach them all.
Guess I'm a Trojan horse.